Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to live a fulfilling life on just $1,000 a month? In a world where avocado toast costs as much as a small island, living on $1,000 a month might seem like a fantasy. But fear not, frugal friends, it's doable. First off, housing. Forget penthouses, think roommates. Or better, move in with 5 friends into a 1-bedroom apartment. Rent? Maybe $200 each if you're lucky and can win at rock, paper, scissors. Groceries are next. Who needs organic quinoa when you have ramen noodles? A month's supply might cost you $20. Add rice and beans, and you're a gourmet on $50 a month. Utilities can be a beast. But who needs light when you have candles you found in the clearance bin? And for hot showers? Gym memberships, exercise plus hygiene, all for $30 a month. Transportation? Say hello to your new best friend, the bicycle. Or get acquainted with walking, nature's treadmill. $0 spent, plus you get those endorphins. Entertainment is crucial. Forget Netflix, your local library has free books and movies. Also, parks are free, and people watching is endlessly entertaining. Cost? $0. Clothing can be sourced from thrift stores or the lost and found. Be the trendsetter of pre-loved fashion. Budget around $30, and you'll look like $1,000,000. Or close enough. Cooking at home is your wallet's BFF. Master the art of meal prep with your staple ingredients. Impress dates with your ability to make gourmet ramen. Food cost? Still under $50. For health, preventative care is key. YouTube yoga, running outside, and homemade kale smoothies. Because who can afford the doctor? Keep this budget to a minimal $10 for emergencies. Side hustles are a goldmine. Walk dogs, sell crafts, or become a street mime. Every little bit adds to your treasure chest. Aim to rake in an extra $100 or more. Saving on $1,000 a month means getting creative. Use every coupon, discount, and deal available. Your hobby now? Bargain hunting. Keep those expenses low and your spirits high. Living on $1,000 a month isn't just about survival, it's a lifestyle. Embrace the extreme frugality and watch your bank account slowly but surely grow. Welcome to the high life on a low budget.